Hi, it's Lynette here. So today I'm filming in a wee bit of a different location. I've just come upstairs to film because Stephen's in the kitchen cooking his tea. Steve's downstairs with the TV on, so I just thought I'll come upstairs and I'll just film this because I've been meaning to film it all day and never managed it. So we've just been on a wee walk with Lola, and I'll do a wee video actually, hopefully, if I get some time in the next couple of days to film her. I'm in the office tomorrow, so Brandon and Antonia are coming through to watch her, which would be quite nice for them. So yeah, I thought I'd come on and I'm going to show you a little goodie bag that I got. So it was a mystery bag, but it's from Lookgoodfeelbetter, and it was £12 plus £2.50 postage and packaging, and I added up the contents and they came to about £34, so you're kind of getting double what you paid for it. Well, more than double if you took off the postage and packaging, but I'm just adding that all in. So it comes in, you get it just in a padded kind of envelope posted by Royal Mail, and it comes in this nice little bag for you to keep it all. So I'm just going to go through, and it is, they're all British brands, British products. So I'm going to show you the first one. The first two are the kind of ones that don't cost a lot of money, but there's hand cream in here, which I'm always happy about. So there's Yardley London English Rose Nourishing Hand Cream. I think this was only about like a couple of pounds, but I always use hand cream, so it never goes amiss. And there's a product that used to be in our beauty boxes all the time, but at least this one's tinted. So it's the Dr. Pawpaw Hot Pink Balm, multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw for lips, cheeks and cosmetic finishes with a hint of a tint, and it's cruelty free and vegan. So I think that one's about like £5 odds. But anyway, got a wee seal on it, so I'll probably pop that in a giveaway. The next item is another kind of great British brand. However, a lot of people have fallen out of favour with Elmis because it now no longer has this kind of cruelty free tag, because it does in this country. However, because it sells in China, they can't class themselves as completely cruelty free because they may test on it in China. However, I know some brands have got around that, so fingers crossed that we can actually see an end to animal testing. This is the Elemis Sea Lavender and Sanford Body Cream, 100 ml. There we go. So I think this one was about £12–13 for this size. But I've already had one of these, so I am going to definitely pop it in a giveaway for somebody else to try. So the next item here is one that I know my friend Lynn really likes as well, and lots of people actually like this brand. It's Emma Hardy, and it's the Moringa Cleansing Balm. So I can't remember how much this was, but this was the most expensive thing in the box, and it's 30 grams. It's made in Britain, cruelty free, which is fantastic. There we go. So that's quite a big pot actually, and I'm sure I've got a small one of these somewhere, but I haven't tried it. But I am going to open it because I will definitely try it. Good thing is that's got a seal as well, so will I open it? No, I'm not going to open it. Okay, I'll open it. You've persuaded me. Oh, it's got a lovely smell. That's it there. So it's obviously it's really hot here today, so part of it's kind of quite hard and the other part is kind of started to melt with the heat. Plus this was in the kitchen because I was planning on filming earlier, but Stephen was in there. So it started to melt probably with the heat and the heat of the kitchen. But oh, that smells lovely, really nice, and it's actually quite light. I just popped some on. Looking forward to trying that. I'll probably pop that straight in. The items that I'm going to use just now. So for £12, I think it's actually a good wee you know, mystery bag, or they call it a goodie bag, but you don't know what you're getting in it. So I think it's a mystery bag. So they've got the Elemis Sea Lavender and Sanford Body Cream, the Dr. Pawpaw. I'll pop the link below if you're interested in this. The Yardley English Rose Hand Cream, and the Emma Hardy. So this is probably the item that I'm most excited about. And this item, the price of it was more than I paid. So essentially, you know, you get these other items free if you think of it like that. I can't speak tonight, I'm all tongue-tied. Anyway, I'm going to go and pop these in my kind of giveaway box and put this with the rest of my things. I'm trying to tidy up actually, because Lola, although she's only a puppy, she can actually reach the worktops. So when she jumps up, she's the height of the worktops. So it's going to be about a week or two before she's pulling everything down from the worktop. So this was sitting in the kitchen and I thought, right, come upstairs and film this because it's been sitting here for days. And then I can get that upstairs and out the way. But it's trying to get into that habit of making sure there's nothing on the floor. And actually on the worktops when you've got a puppy that size. So anyway, I'll do a wee video and I'll let you show her. But I'm going to kind of crack on while Stephen's cooking and do some more kind of tidying up. It's all I seem to do these days. But anyway, the joys, isn't it, of having a puppy. So we've just taken her out on a wee walk. Can't walk them too far at that age. So we went down to the, got a park to the left of us and a field to the right. So we just walked her down to the field, had a wee wander round and back up. We just took our short lead. We didn't take the extendable one this time. So we let her have a good sniff around on the lead. And then when we were walking back, kind of, you know, keeping her to heel and not let her pull me. So kind of trying to make sure that I do all the training myself so that she'll kind of walk well when it's me that's just taking her out. Anyway, got to go. Speak to you later. Gotta go and do some tidying up. See you soon. Bye.